Why do some people find it so hard to be single? Is it the fear of being alone, or is there something deeper going on? Let's dive into it. You know, for some, the thought of flying solo feels less like freedom and more like a free fall. They jump from one relationship to the next, almost as if being single is a disease they need to cure immediately. But why? A big reason is societal pressure. Think about it. From fairy tales to Hollywood movies, we're constantly bombarded with the idea that finding the one is the ultimate life goal. Family gatherings can feel like an interrogation. Still single? When are you going to settle down? It's no wonder people start to believe that being in a relationship is the default setting for happiness. If you're not part of a couple, you might feel like you're failing at life, which is absolutely not true. Then there's the fear of loneliness, or what psychologists call monophobia. This isn't just about feeling a little lonely on a Saturday night. It's a deep-seated anxiety about being by yourself. For people with this fear, a partner isn't just a companion. They're a shield against the silence, a distraction from their own thoughts. The problem is, when you use someone else to avoid being with yourself, you never truly get to know who you are. This ties into another key point: self-worth. Some people tie their entire sense of value to being wanted by someone else. Their self-esteem gets a boost when they're in a relationship and plummets when they're not. They need that external validation to feel good about themselves. This often stems from childhood experiences where love and approval were conditional. So, as adults, they continue to seek that validation through romantic partners. The relationship becomes proof that they are lovable and worthy. Also, let's talk about the relationship escalator. It's this idea that relationships must constantly be moving forward. From dating to moving in to getting married to having kids. It's a prescribed path. People who can't stand being single are often just desperate to get on this escalator, afraid of being left behind. They might rush into relationships that aren't right for them, just to feel like they're making progress. And what about past heartbreaks? A painful breakup can leave you feeling vulnerable and insecure. To avoid feeling that pain again, some people immediately seek a new relationship. It's a way to soothe the wound and prove to themselves, and maybe to their ex, that they're still desirable. This is often called a rebound relationship, and it's more about healing an ego than building a genuine connection. But here's the most important part. Learning to be single is a superpower. It's during this time that you can truly discover yourself. What are your passions? What are your goals? What makes you happy? Independent of anyone else. Being single gives you the space to build a strong foundation of self-love and confidence. When you're happy and whole on your own, you don't enter a relationship out of neediness or fear. You enter it because you want to share your already complete life with someone else. If you find yourself struggling with being alone, remember that it's okay, and it's a journey. Start small. Take yourself out on a date. Pick up a new hobby. Spend time with friends and family who uplift you. And if the anxiety feels overwhelming, there is absolutely no shame in talking to a therapist. They can provide tools to help you build your self-esteem and feel more comfortable in your own skin. Ultimately, the best relationship you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. Nurture that first, and everything else will fall into place. So, are you afraid of being single, or are you embracing it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on relationships and self-growth. See you in the next one.